you want to learn Romanian but you don't know where to start? Or have you just started learning Romanian but you don't know what to learn next? I created a Romanian course for absolute beginners where you are going to learn the essentials. This course is designed for absolute beginners who want a structured and clear way of learning instead of jumping from one lesson to another one. I divided the A1 level in two parts, and this is part 1, where you are going to learn the essentials. If you are already comfortable at A1 level, this course isn't for you. You will learn essential Romanian vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and everyday phrases which you can start using in real-life situations. The course is divided in 5 modules, taking you through Romanian step by step. This is mixed media content, so you are going to find videos, text, exercises, quizzes, and downloadable PDFs. Regarding the video lessons, there are 38 of them, adding up to over 4.5 hours of video. Module 1 includes a free preview lesson so that you can try the course before you buy it. You are going to see if my teaching style matches your learning style. But if you've enjoyed the lessons that I've been publishing here on YouTube, you are going to love this course. Start learning Romanian with me today. Click on the link below to see the full course description and curriculum. Hai să începem!